સર આપણું લાઈવ ચાલુ થઈ ગયું છે.
So let us wait for 5 minutes and then we will begin with this webinar on Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, Central University, admission, academics and opportunities. Many members are joining, so let us accommodate them. दिखाइए स्क्रीन. नहीं ये फुल में दिखाई. Good evening to all. I heartily welcome you to this webinar on Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, admission, academics and opportunities. I am Professor Gati Shakti, Dean Academics at Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, Central University, India's first university in the domain of transportation and logistics. Prior to joining Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, I contributed as a faculty at IIT Kharagpur. A unique scope and mandate of Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya in transportation and logistics has inspired me to join and contribute at this place. I extend my heartiest congratulations to all the students and their proud parents for a success in the competitive exams. This video will help you to understand and appreciate the unique features of Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, a unique creation of Government of India, and its key role in enhancing the competitiveness in logistics and transportation sector, and specifically the admission process 23-24. So with this, let us try to appreciate the couple of features of university. Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya is a central university and pioneer in the domain of transportation and logistics in India, and it came into existence in 2022 by the Act of Parliament. The GSV subsumes the previously existing National Rail and Transportation Institute. So this university is established with a unique mandate to create a resource pool of professionals highly trained and skilled in the domain of transportation and logistics, covering technology, management, and policy, all the three domains. There is a rising demand. Our ecosystem is showing a lot of growth and opportunities in logistics sector, and hence there is a rising demand at national and global level in the domain of logistics and transportation. We at Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya follows a demand-driven curriculum which fits into the requirement and contemporary needs of the industry. And specifically, our curriculum is based on interdisciplinary pedagogical approach, which includes intensive interaction with the industry, internships, and projects. Let us see what is the facilitating role of GSV in nation's growth. GSV is undertaking various activities, and its ecosystem encompasses the set of activities in training and research to enable nation's aspiration to reduce its logistics cost from present 14% to 8 to 9%. This has huge impact on improving the competitiveness of Indian industries for indigenous as well as global markets. Transportation sector is a growth engine for India, which contributes roughly to 6.3% of GDP of India, and hence you can appreciate what is the job opportunity or a huge job opportunity available in this sector. GSV's positions to strongly support the growth and development in the ecosystem of logistics and supply chain management. And Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya is established by Government of India, sponsored by Ministry of Railways, to facilitate the implementation of mega plans like PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan and National Logistics Policy, with a vision to address the emerging challenges in transport and logistics sector. Our vision is futuristic, considering the industry and societal needs, and we believe that our university is innovation-led, industry-driven, for creating, assimilating, and imparting excellence of knowledge and actions which can accelerate the development in transport and logistics sector. In order to fulfill this vision, we are committed to some of the actions as a part of our mission statement, based in the world futuristic education and research built on credibility, rigor, and relevance, effective collaboration with industry and stakeholders, and GSV will act as an epicenter of the transport and logistics ecosystem. Imbibe and internalize professional work ethics and culture to foster lifelong learning paradigms for a developed India. We are honored to have our Chancellor, Sri Ashwini Vaishnav, Chancellor of Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, and Minister of Railways, Communications, Electronics, Information Technology, Government of India. He gave us a very strong mandate and a vision to operationalize the activities at Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, which can act as an engine of growth in the transportation and logistics by providing a highly qualified and talented workforce to usher India into a new age. I'm extremely happy to introduce our highly dynamic Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Manoj Chaudhary. He is on leave from IIT Jodhpur, a professor at IIT Jodhpur, and now with his huge experience in industry and academia, helping us university to really create a world-class institution. Our Vice Chancellor strongly believes in making Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya a great university with a strong focus of the academic programs on technology, management, and policy, which can harness the emerging opportunities in this domain. He strongly believes in industry-driven and innovation-led university, and you will see that how this dream is incorporated in our actions. So we have Executive Council where you will see an amalgamation and a synergistic effect of industry, academia, and government officials. So we have Mr. Sudhans Pant, Secretary, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India, as a member of our Executive Council. Ms. Sanjali Goyal, Member Finance, Railway Board. Professor Rishikesh Krishnan, Director, IIM Bangalore. Professor Rajat Munna, Director, IIT Gandhinagar. Mr. Remy Mallard, President, Airbus India and Head of South Asia Region. We have Mr. Sunil Mathur, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Siemens Limited. Ms. Geeta Gurnani, Chief Technology Officer and Technical Sales Leader, IBM. So we have a strong presence of industry leaders, government officials, and the leaders from academia like Director IIM Bangalore and Director IIT Gandhinagar. Mr. Pradeep Gaur, Chairman and Managing Director, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. Mr. Nilkant Mishra, Chief Economist, Axis Bank. And myself and Registrar. I would like to brief you, for which you are curious and you have joined this particular webinar. So we are offering the programs under two streams. One is the technology stream, other is the management stream. Technology stream, we offer 5 B.Tech programs. The admissions are based on 10+2 exam with physics, chemistry, and maths. Science stream with minimum 55% marks in PCM. And for the reserved candidates, SC, ST, and OBC, the minimum marks are 50%. In order to avoid inconvenience at the end of the students, we have accepted the leading test conducted by IITs JEE 2023 as the basis for preparing our merit list. So score in JEE Main 2023 will be considered for admission into B.Tech programs. June 11, 2023 is the last date to apply online. Selection process is purely based on the merit and JEE 2023 percentile score. Management stream, we are offering 2 programs. MBA program admission criteria is bachelor's degree in any discipline with mathematics or statistics as one of the subject, and with aggregate marks, CGPA, CPA of at least 55% and 50% for OBC, SC, and ST candidates. We are considering the multiple tests to accommodate the brightest of the nation: CUET PG 2023, CAT, MAT, XAT, and the last date to apply for MBA program is June 25, 2023. MBA program selection process includes score in the competitive exam like CUET, CAT, MAT, and XAT. In addition to that, we have given a due weightage to personal interview. So the details are given. The entrance exam and entrance test will carry 50% weightage. Personal interview will carry 20% weightage. We are also looking for a diversity in our MBA program. And in this regard, we wish some of the working experience people who have worked maybe for 1 year, 2 year, 4 year in the industry. So we are giving 10% weightage to work experience. 12 standard 10% and 10 standard 10%. So work experience, if it is more than 36 months, we will give 100% score, and a candidate will receive 10 out of 10. Between 12 to 36 months, then it is 4 into number of months minus 11, and no marks for less than 12 months of experience. So we have 5 programs under the bucket of technology stream: B.Tech in civil engineering with specialization in rail engineering, B.Tech in electronics and communication engineering with specialization in rail engineering, B.Tech in mechanical engineering, again with specialization in rail engineering, B.Tech in electrical engineering, specialization in rail engineering, B.Tech in artificial intelligence and data science with specialization in transportation and logistics. We have introduced 2 new programs, B.Tech in electrical engineering and B.Tech in artificial intelligence and data science, from the academic year 23-24, and looking to the emerging needs of artificial intelligence and data science, this program is specifically launched to cater to the emerging need of India. You will see that our B.Tech programs are not just generic B.Tech programs. Each program has a flavor of rail engineering, and about 20% of the credits in the curriculum are allocated to this specialization. In that way, B.Tech programs, rather than theory oriented, are more application oriented. You have a very large system to explore using the principles of each engineering specialization, and GSV being part of Ministry of Railways, we have an access to all the facilities of Indian Railways, and that way students will have a unique opportunity to experiment and explore the important concepts of engineering in the respective specializations: civil, electronics, mechanical, artificial intelligence, and electrical, for the context of railways. In management stream, we offer 2 programs: MBA Logistics and Supply Chain Management and MBA Transport Economics and Management. Both the programs are unique. GSV took the lead in offering such unique programs with its strong mandate in transportation and logistics, and these programs have attracted many potential industries, researchers to explore the various domains in this area. If I give you the glimpses of some of the unique areas that students explore at UG and PG level at Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, then it includes rail operations and energy efficiency, railway network capacity and system analysis, strategic and transport strategies and transport planning in passenger and freight traffic, which is an extremely important issue, system science, track technology, wheel rail interface, climate change and weather impact, infrastructure project management, control science and engineering, data integration and cyber security, detection technology and automation equipment, high speed and passenger rail, logistics management and engineering, pavement, power systems and energy use, warehouse management, terminal management, traffic control and management, and intelligent transport system. So courses are highly application oriented. When our curriculum provides a strong foundation in the core course where students are groomed for the fundamental principles in each specialization, they are given enough opportunity to explore the application in the various domains. we follow a unique pedagogy which is in line with the prestigious universities across the world like MIT, Stanford, Cambridge. And this pedagogy is based on experiential learning, experiential pedagogy. We have multidisciplinary focus. We offer the core courses in a particular domain. We have the courses fall under the bucket of electives where students have opportunity to explore the applications, and we provide ample opportunity to the students for self-discovery and professional development. Here they have various courses like internships, projects, dedicated slots for capstone simulation, roundtable, your industry interactions, and likewise. I will just give you a couple of salient features of each program. B.Tech Civil Engineering, it involves creation and advancement of infrastructure, inspiring ingenuity and originality to meet ever-evolving demands of society. The results of such efforts are remarkable structures. You can see highways, railway and cargo stations, ports, smart cities, monuments, stadiums, statues, and others. So, program in B.Tech Civil Engineering with specialization in railway engineering at Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya is designed and delivered by experienced faculty and practicing engineers. We ensure that our curriculum is delivered by highly proficient academicians and highly experienced industry professionals. It includes railway-centric engineering design, construction, and maintenance. When you learn about such a vast system, railways, then you can draw many parallels for other sectors also. Railway is not just one unique context. It is quite a complex system, and studying such a complex system helps students to develop competencies to undertake the examination, study, and implementation for even various other systems. Unique access to one of the world's largest railway network, because we are supported and we are sponsored by Ministry of Railways. Our students get the direct advantage of all the facilities, exposure to railway infrastructure. The other course is B.Tech Electronics and Communication Engineering. So this program intends to develop competencies in electronics communication, signaling, embedded system, Internet of Things. It incorporates technologies enabling safe transport operations like Kavach, cyber security, traffic control, and others. We impart real-time hands-on experience, project-based learning, and exploring virtual laboratories from anywhere and big data analytics platforms. Similarly, our third program in mechanical engineering, B.Tech in mechanical engineering, equips the students in materials, machine tools, tribology, thermal, refrigeration, air conditioning, rolling stock, rail wheel interaction, high-speed rail system, and railway operations. Mechanical engineering courses are very much embedded with the complex system of railways. There is a significant emphasis on smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0. Double stack containers, cargo transportation, vehicle design, and deployment for achieving green supply chain are some of the unique features we have included to make the horizon and scope of mechanical engineering truly relevant for the industry. Hyperloop, fuel cells, and 3D printing are evolving technologies which falls well within the gamut of mechanical engineering. B.Tech Electrical Engineering, we train and equip the students with the analysis and design of electricity-based transportation, electric locos, electric vehicles, propulsion and traction systems. And in order to equip our students with these competencies, we have state-of-the-art laboratory for high voltage systems, propulsion and traction system exposure at electric loco sheds, Indian Railways, and students can explore the virtual laboratories as a part of their learning. The fifth program, which is very highly demanded by the society and industry, is artificial intelligence and data science. So this program will equip the students with lot of tools and techniques in order to operate as data scientists, business analysts, researcher, and tackle many real life problems by learning statistics, knowledge discovery, data visualization. So there are many tools we have covered, like machine learning, artificial intelligence, text mining, as a part of our AI program. Transportation and logistics, you can see Ola, Uber, airlines, and many other segments where the decisions are purely based on data, and huge data set is to be dealt with. This is something where we really need the help of artificial intelligence and data science to reveal the structures and patterns within the data. So we have a tailor-made curriculum based on the industry needs, specifically shared by some of the leading industry like IBM. Artificial intelligence and machine learning case-based approach will be used, and we have a lot of elective courses to impart industry-related relevant skills in the area of AI and data science. So if I just summarize a couple of unique features of B.Tech curriculum, then it offers 3 dedicated courses, which is very much in line with prestigious institutions and university across the world and India: calculus and linear algebra, differential equations, and transforms and probability and statistics, which will help students to develop strong analytical competencies desired for logistics and transportation sector and many other sectors where complex problems are involved. So all B.Tech student will go through a rigorous learning of 3 fundamental mathematics courses, in-depth coverage of core foundation courses in all the respective specializations. We are offering 3 courses on computer programming in order to enable and facilitate the project-based learning. We want our students to work on real-life problems as a part of internship and project, and this demands a very strong competencies and skills in the computer programming. 21st century skills, which is in line with our NEP, National Education Policy. We are offering various courses like design thinking, communication skill, foreign language, maybe as a part of curriculum or as an enabling course additionally offered by the university. We ensure experiential learning by including 3 internships, total 14 weeks in B.Tech programs at reputed organizations and projects in semester 7 and 8. We have put a strong focus on sustainable development goals by offering courses on environment science and sustainability, and curriculum addresses the broader challenges involved in multimodality, supply chain management, logistics, transport safety and security, and project management. You can quickly see that each specialization, how the curriculum offers an in-depth opportunity to analyze the complex system of railways using the fundamentals learned in a particular discipline. So mechanical engineering, railway braking and testing system, railway systems engineering, LBH coaches, design of electric vehicles, civil engineering, application of geosynthetics in railways, permanent way engineering, track structure, survey and construction of railway lines, electronics and communication engineering, electronic train safety and systems, installation, testing and commissioning of railway signaling system, railway communication system, and so on. Electrical engineering, electrification and traction systems, railway interlocking system, electric systems in railway coaching stocks, power supply systems, and so on. And artificial intelligence and data science, we have a strong focus on data-driven analytics for smart transportation system, intelligent transportation system, which covers the gamut of railways and other transportation, machine learning, AI application, IoT application in railways and logistics. 2 MBA programs are successfully running since last 3 years, and we are receiving very good response as students in MBA Logistics and Supply Chain Management and MBA Transport Economics and Management. The program on MBA Logistics and Supply Chain Management has a strong focus on exploring the complexities involved in logistics and warehousing systems, supply chain strategy, freight transportation, revenue management, and so on. On the other side, program on Transport Economics and Management focuses strongly on complexities, issues, and solutions involved in multimodal transportation, logistics and models, intelligent transportation system, environmental impact of transport system, traffic management and control. And both the programs, they offer ample opportunity to learn cross-program electives in a truly interdisciplinary manner. So a couple of unique features, if we see of MBA curriculum, then we are providing a strong foundation in the fundamental courses of business, that is finance, HROB, managerial economics, and marketing. MBA students, they acquire professional competencies in data analytics, optimization, integration of business function, transport safety, reliability, logistics and supply chain, IoT and ICT. And we really put them into a rigorous experiential learning as a part of their MBA study through internship, 6 to 8 weeks of internship, business seminars, leadership roundtable, capstone simulation, and many other platforms. Typically, our curriculum equips the students to operate as logistics and SCM manager, procurement manager, customer relationship manager, supply chain system developer, warehouse manager, freight forwarding expert, logistics coordinator, logistics and transport system analyst, and e-commerce business developer. And we have seen our student successfully joining the leading organizations in this area and performing well. So a couple of unique features you can appreciate as a part of MBA program: transportation system safety and reliability, freight management, warehouse design and management, transport system safety and reliability, railroad and air cargo logistics, and revenue management, which sets the pitch for today's emerging and existing opportunities and challenges for the MBA students. I am happy to introduce our highly qualified faculty at Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya. Myself, Professor Jitesh Thakkar. As I mentioned, I was a faculty at IIT Kharagpur, and subsequently, having extensively worked in the domain of logistics and supply chain management, I got inspired to join Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya. Professor Chandi Prasad Nanda, with a long experience and PhD from JNU. Dr. Edwin Raj, PhD from IIT Roorkee. Dr. Venkat Chintala, PhD from IIT Delhi. Dr. Pradeep, PhD from IIT Hyderabad. Dr. Abhilasa Saxena, PhD from Tokyo University, Japan. Dr. Sunil Kumar Sharma, PhD from IIT Roorkee. Dr. Ram Krishna Upadhyay, PhD from IIT Dhanbad. Hari Krishna Gaddam, PhD from IIT Delhi, Dr. Jyoti Sharma, PhD from University of Delhi, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Saroj, PhD IIT Dhanbad, Dr. Navnit Lal Sharma, PhD from IIT Indore, and many of the faculty, they have even completed their postdoctoral work at the prestigious universities across the world. We are strongly supported by our administration, Mr. Anant Subramaniam. He is our registrar with more than 30 years of experience in administration. Mr. Krishan Kumar, he is also having more than 25 years of experience. He is a deputy registrar. Mr. Hublal Jagan, deputy comptroller and IRPS officer from railways, and Ms. Sweta Jain, deputy finance officer, and by qualification, a chartered accountant. We have visiting faculty from many premier institutions in India and abroad. I am just presenting an indicative list. We have Dr. O.P. Agrawal, a retired IAS officer and senior advisor, WRI India. We have Professor Raghuram, ex-director, IIM Bangalore, Dr. Krishnan Venkateswaran, senior technical officer, University of Birmingham, UK, Hasmukh Gajjar, associate professor, IIM Indore, and many more. We have fostered our partnerships and collaborations with many leading universities. We even have launched the exchange program, a joint degree program with University of Birmingham in the past, Russian University of Transport, Cornell, Berkeley, University of California, Japan Transportation Institute, Chetak Logistics Foundation, and we are in the process of cementing our collaborations with many premier institutions and industries across the world. I would be very much happy to present our major recruiters. This is just a representative list. Our students are at present working in the respectable position at various leading organizations like Mahindra Logistics, DTDC, DHL, Chetak Logistics, Adani Ports and Logistics, Siemens, L&T, RITES, RVNL, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, IBM, Airbus. We are trying to have some of the internship opportunities, Cargoman, Om Logistics, and many others. We have a vibrant ecosystem at Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya because when you join the university, you need a strong curriculum, and in addition to that, for your overall development, you need a vibrant ecosystem. We provide ample opportunity to the students to excel in various areas and be prosperous in their various personality dimensions. We have event management club, Natya and dance club, literary club, business club, Malhar, music club, media and tech club, debate and quiz club, just to name few. Our students have gone for internship at various places. Various educational visits at ISRO and other places are undertaken by Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya students. They have participated in many conferences and events like Rail India Conference and Expo and many others. It's quite a vibrant ecosystem in the lush green campus of more than 50 years old National Academy of Indian Railways, which is located well within the city, center of the city, and it has a heritage outlook and a green lush campus. We have organized Epitome where Airbus, IBM, and Ultratech were our platinum, gold, and silver sponsors, and many executives from these leading industries have participated in our Epitome 23. We have a world-class hostel facilities equipped with air conditioned and all other necessary infrastructure, and students get quite a conducive environment within the campus at their room to undertake their study seriously and in an enjoyable manner. So we took many sustainability related initiatives. Our faculty have published many papers in leading journals. So we are executing a project which is of 2.62 crore funded by DST. It is on producing a usable fuel, plasto fuel typically from the plastic, and successfully we experimented, and this fuel is very much useful. The commercial application and investigation is under, say, scope of execution, and we are working on that. Many research papers are published in renowned journals. You can just see the list, some indicative list in the domain of strategic location of or locating the ambulance, investigation and implementation for lean green supply chain, tribological study, thermal and mechanical analysis, ethics, policy related issues, flame quenching, environment friendly biodiesel, two-sided lateral gap continuum model and its application for non-land based heterogeneous traffic, then ride behavior, and so on. Our faculty has published books with the internationally recognized publishers: project management, structural equation modeling, multi-criteria decision making, transportation systems technology and integrated management, vernacularizing past, rethinking local history, and so on. Just to repeat, which is of importance to you as a part of this seminar, we are offering admission at Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya for academic year 23-24 under two broader streams. One is technology stream, other is management stream. Technology stream offers admission in 5 B.Tech programs which are uniquely positioned with railway specialization and transport, and the qualifying exam for B.Tech is JEE Mains 2023. Last date to apply is June 11, 2023. Management stream, we only admit the students having mathematics or statistics in their bachelor's degree and who have scored a good merit in CUET, PG 2023, CAT, MAT, ZAT. So CAT 2022 we consider valid, ZAT 2023 we consider valid, and MAT 2023 we consider valid. Selection process is giving 50% weightage to your score in entrance test, CUET, ZAT, MAT, CAT, and personal interview 20%, your work experience 10%, 12 standard 10%, and 10 standard 10%. The last date to apply is June 25, 23. So welcome to Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya. I once again congratulate you all for scoring very good merit and exhibiting an outstanding performance in the various competitive exams. I specifically congratulate your parents for their hard work and effort in making you successful and taking you to the stage where you are dreaming and aspiring for the leading institutions and university like Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya. Thank you very much. Now I would like to address a couple of questions. Let me just see if you have put the questions in chat box, then I can address them one by one. So there is a question: is this degree with specialization rail engineering equivalent to regular degree like other universities in same specialization to apply for national recruitment exams? Yes, you can see that we are putting specialization railway engineering in bracket. This means you are earning basically B.Tech in mechanical engineering, B.Tech in electrical engineering, B.Tech in electronics, B.Tech in civil, and specialization railway indicates that students have explored a complex system like railway using the principles and fundamentals which they learned as a part of their mechanical engineering. So it is more about giving a touch of application oriented curriculum or impart an application oriented curriculum, and that is where, and we have a strong support and access to railway facility, and hence the specialization offered is railway systems, but your degree is certainly in the all fundamental disciplines as mentioned. Career future with graduation, with how much average placement package for different branches. So yes, this is a common and repeating question. So placement, as I mentioned, our students are working at reputed organizations. Last year, we had 100% placement in MBA programs. Placement data for B.Tech is not available because our first batch will graduate in coming year, but we are receiving very good response and inquiry beforehand from the industry, and they are eager to recruit our students. Now, I think I covered the questions which were posted in the chat. I keep the forum open. You can ask the question or any query if you have in next 10 minutes. Swayas, do you have any query? Vinay? Ram Vignesh? Sambas, Anshu, Adit, anyone? I am just reading couple of names. Okay, fine. So thank you very much for attending this session, and I wish you all the best for your future perspective. Thank you very much. We may close the session.